If you're dealing with a Canva export error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can solve the problem fast. Whether your download is stuck, is failing, or just not exporting properly, these steps can help you get back on track without wasting time. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Let's start with the quickest fix first. Refresh the page by pressing Ctrl+R on your keyboard. Sometimes Canva just needs a simple reload to reset the session and clear a temporary glitch. After the page refreshes, try exporting again and see if the problem is gone. If the error still shows up, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Open a new tab, search for a speed test, and run one. A slow or unstable connection can interrupt Canva exports, especially if your design has a lot of large images or multiple pages. If your internet is weak, reconnect to Wi-Fi, switch networks, or wait until the connection stabilizes, then try the export again. Now let's look at the file type. In Canva, go to Share, then choose Download. From there, select a different format such as PNG, JPG, or PDF, depending on what you need. Sometimes one file type will fail, while another works perfectly, so if PNG isn't exporting, try JPG. If that still doesn't work, test PDF instead. After choosing the new format, click Download and see if Canva completes the export successfully. If the export is still failing, your design may be too large or too complex. Try reducing the file size by removing heavy elements, deleting unnecessary pages, or shortening the document. Large videos, high-resolution graphics, animations, and too many layers can sometimes make Canva struggle during export. Simplifying the design can make a big difference, so trim down anything you don't really need and then try again. Another very effective fix is clearing your browser cache. To do this, open your browser menu, which is usually the three dots in the top corner. Go into Settings, then Privacy, then Clear Browsing Data. Make sure cached images and files are selected, then clear them. Old cached data can sometimes interfere with Canva loading or exporting correctly, and clearing it can give you a fresh start. Once that's done, reopen Canva, sign back in if needed, and test the export one more time. If you've gone through all of those steps and the export still isn't working, try combining them. Refresh the page, test your internet, switch the file type, reduce the design size, and clear the cache. In many cases, one of these fixes will solve the problem right away, and sometimes it only takes a small change to get Canva exporting normally again. So to recap, the best ways to fix a Canva export error are to refresh the page, check your internet speed, change the file type, reduce the file size, and clear your browser cache. These are the most common solutions, and they work for a lot of Canva users dealing with download issues. If this video helped you fix the problem, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials, software tips, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.